Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a mummy inspired by Jellycat to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute mummy, let's first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here and draw basically a mochi shaped head. And I'm going to start right here. And as I draw this, it's not going to be smooth. I'm just going to kind of make it a little bit lumpy so that it looks like once we draw in the bandages, it makes a little bit more sense. So I'm just going to come right about here and go up, draw our big top curve, and then bring it down. Maybe, oh my gosh, what's happening with my curves today? Okay, here we go. And then I'm just going to make it a little lumpy when we come to the sides. There, something like that. And then right about here is a little bit wider. And then we're going to bring it in. This is the lumpiness that was throwing me off. Okay, so then we're just going to go ahead and finish it off. There, just something like that. This kind of mochi shape. Then from there, we're going to say about the center, make sure it's this widest part here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right over into the other side, right about here. This is going to be the beginning, like where the eyes are. Then I'm going to come right about here and draw another curve to open it up so that we have some space to put in the eyes. There. And then this being your approximate center, I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, about right there, and I'm going to draw a curve about here and another one here. And I'm going to put in a circle right here for the eye and do the same thing on the other side. There, and then I'll just shade in this part really quick so you can see a little bit better. The original, the eyes are actually black, but it won't show up as well if I made them black and try to also shade this part in. So I'm just going to leave them white. But if you don't like that, I guess you can just kind of make them gray. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a sweet smile right here underneath. Good curve for our mummy and cap it off. And then, of course, I'll come in later with all the lines for the bandages and just draw the body first. So let's come right underneath, about right here and here, centering the body. And once again, I'm just going to kind of make it lumpy as I go down. Let's go all the way to, just say about right there. And then I'm going to kind of imagine the center. So I'm just going to round this off. So right about here in the center area, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then I'll just connect it. Curve for that part. And then for the legs, let's come right about here. And I'm going to make them lumpy again. I'm going to bring them in. And connect. So same thing here. There. Okay, so we have the legs in, and then for the arms, just gonna have them come out, and once again, same thing, same idea, just make it kind of lumpy to about right here. And then we're going to bring them in. And same thing here. You can have this one flare out a little bit. Just make sure it's about the same area on both sides. And connect. There. Okay, so now to make it look like a mummy, this is the best part. I'm just going to come here and we're just going to just have fun with this. There's no wrong way. Just want to maybe kind of where the lumps are. You could put in those bandage lines, but it really doesn't matter. Put as many or as little as you want. And down here, I'm trying to follow the original. So you go here. And maybe another one. There. Okay, and then before I forget, here and there, you can just put in an X. There. So same thing here on the body. You just want to be able to change the directions of these lines so that it's not so boring. There. And then here and there, of course, put in these stitch marks, I guess, or it's X's right here and there. And then same thing for the hands, where we'll be going this way. And one more here. There. So now it looks like a mummy, right? Hopefully. And of course, last but not least, we need to add a heart. So I'm just going to put it right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute mummy inspired by Jellycat. I really hope you love how it turned out and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.